What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a multi-tool. You guys, multi-tools are good for gifts for Christmas or gifts for Mother's Day, Father's Day, depending on who is into DIY and all that stuff. So right here we have a cool multi-tool. There you go. Let me just go ahead and put that on the screen for y'all. All right, that's the brand. All right, so this is a 6-in-1. So let's see if we can make things happen. And we are going to go ahead and get into this. Now, if anybody have any other questions, like where is it made? Of course, we all know where it's made. All right, so as you open it, there are no instructions, you guys. So you will have to figure the multi-tool out by yourself. Now, the cool thing with this multi-tool is that it's that keychain type of style. So y'all know how you can put stuff on your keychain, and I know a lot of people have electric cars or no keys for your cars, or however it works. So just hook it up to something. Many ways to do this. So you have that right there. Now here you go, just in case you need to cut something, defend yourself, something like that. You have a little pocket knife with you. Okay, so we got a flathead screwdriver. All right, just be careful with this, you guys. I'm not trying to get stabbed. All right, so you have a Phillips screwdriver. So you have a knife, flathead, Phillips. So 1, 2, 3. I'm guessing that's 4. You can use this as a can opener. You can open up a can from there. All right. Now it says 7-in-1. I think I may have to look at the I might have to look at the Amazon to see what's the 7 things, because it don't really say on the box, you guys. Oh, 6-in-1. All right, sorry. So 6-in-1. So you got the knife. All right, you have the flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Of course, you could hook this up as keychain. So that's should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't know what exactly is 6, but you do have this little pin down here. So maybe that might be a puncher. Not sure. But this is pretty cool. Oh, okay. To put the knife down. To put the knife back down. Come on, focus. All right, so you have to slide this part in the middle. You got to slide it over and then bend the knife back down. All right, so that's it. 6-in-1, and I think we're done. So if you need to use it as a flathead, you could use it as a flathead. That's what I believe this is, a flathead. If not, I will post up all the features so y'all can see it all. But this is a good gift to give to somebody, and I have reviewed plenty of cool stuff like this in the past. I'm going to come up with a playlist called cool gifts or something like that, so y'all can go through, see what cool gifts you can give to your dad or your mom or somebody who that loves working with their hands in a garage, workshop, or whatever. This will be a very cool gift to give them. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.